Why mushrooms are good for your pets. Mushrooms are a nutritious and healthy addition to a pet's diet. These fungi are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help support a pet's overall health and well-being. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of mushrooms in pet food and how you can safely incorporate them into your pet's diet. Watch out on mushroom toxicity. Common mushroom toxins for dogs are called A. alpha-amanitin and B. muscarine. The first toxin causes liver and kidney damage and can be fatal if not treated promptly. The second toxin can cause vomiting, diarrhea, excessive salivation, and other symptoms. Mushroom toxins for cats are A. abotenic acid and B. muscimol. These toxins can cause disorientation, loss of balance, seizures, and other neurological symptoms. 1. Immune system support. Mushrooms contain beta-glucans, which are complex polysaccharides that can stimulate the immune system. 2. Anti-inflammatory properties. Certain types of mushrooms, such as reishi and maitake, have been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties. This can be helpful for pets with chronic conditions like arthritis or allergies. 3. Antioxidant properties. Mushrooms contain antioxidants like amino acid ergothioneine, which can help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. 4. Digestive health. Mushrooms contain prebiotics, which can help support the growth of beneficial bacteria in your pet's gut. This can be helpful for pets with digestive issues or who are on antibiotics. 5. Natural flavor and texture. Mushrooms can add a natural and appealing flavor and texture to your pet's food, which can encourage them to eat a balanced and healthy diet. Cook the mushrooms. Raw mushrooms can be difficult for pets to digest and may even contain harmful bacteria or parasites. To make them more palatable and easier to digest, it's best to cook mushrooms before feeding them to your pet. Let us talk briefly about how to cook or prepare and serve mushrooms for your pet. Use in moderation. While mushrooms can be a healthy addition to a pet's diet, they should be fed in moderation. Too much of any food can upset a pet's stomach and potentially lead to health problems. Add to meals. You can add cooked mushrooms to your pet's regular meals as a healthy source of nutrients and fiber. Be sure to chop the mushrooms into small pieces to make them easier for your pet to chew and digest. Use as a treat. If your pet enjoys the taste of mushrooms, you can use them as a healthy treat alternative to store-bought treats. Again, be sure to feed them in moderation and avoid feeding toxic mushrooms. Consult with a veterinarian. As with any dietary change, it's important to consult with your veterinarian before adding mushrooms to your pet's diet. They can provide guidance on the appropriate amount and frequency of mushroom intake for your pet based on their specific health needs and dietary requirements. Adding mushrooms to your pet's diet can provide numerous health benefits, from boosting their immune system to improving their digestion.